Welcome back. The South African Health Products Regulatory Authority has certified the first local company in the cannabis industry, and you could get a slice of the pie. Cilo Cybin Pharmaceutical, I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, is based in Centurion, Botswana, and will be able to grow, process and package cannabis products. And within the next 12 months, it could be launching its initial public offering so that public like you and I can buy shares in the company if we have some money. Well, let's speak to the company's CEO, Gabriel Theron. Mr. Theron, good afternoon. Welcome. I'm sure you're very happy that you've got the go-ahead in this case.
Good afternoon, Dan. Yes, thank you so much for making some time. So yes, Cilo Cybin, it's been quite a long journey. We started in 2018. We were awarded the cultivation license in 2020, last year. And about a month ago, we got the green light for our manufacturing plant and license to now further process cannabis for the end consumer. So that brings us, or it makes us the first company in South Africa to have both those licenses under one roof.
Okay.
And it's exciting times.
Yeah. Is it Cilo Cybin, as I correctly pronounced it?
Cilo Cybin.
Cilo Cybin. Okay. So now Cilo Cybin has got the go-ahead, and you're talking about cannabis products. I mean, when I hear cannabis, I think dacha.
Yes. So it's very different for us. We believe it's cannabis. It's for medicinal use. We're not looking at the recreational side of the business at all as Cilo Cybin. So we focus on medicinal products, and we like to refer to it as cannabis.
Okay, so what's going to be happening next now? You've got some time for the next 12 months to do your public offering. You're hoping to list. Are you going to be listing on the JSE only?
No. So the plans is to go public in the next, call it 12 months, hopefully sooner. It will be on the JSE as the main listing. And then we're also looking at a secondary listing in Europe. Currently, we're looking at Luxembourg, but it might not be Luxembourg, but definitely a European listing as a secondary.
Okay, and you are doing this. Why have you thought that for a cannabis company that's got this license to go ahead and do the products, it would be a good thing to list?
So we don't want to have the perception out there that we're only a cannabis company. We also, hence our name, want to go into the psychedelic world. But furthermore than that, we believe that there's much more that we can bring to the public, and it's not just limited to cannabis and psychedelics. We believe it's time that the public will have access to individualized medicines, treatments, devices to monitor their health. So it's much more than we want to bring to the public than just a cannabis company or a psychedelic company.
Okay, so there's going to be much more than cannabis and mushrooms and stuff like that. What are the plans, very briefly, if you may, in less than a minute, just to excite anybody who's listening to say, I need to have a share in this business when they do their initial public offering in the next 12 months?
Well, a minute is maybe not enough time, but basically, in short, the immediate focus now is to get cannabis products to the public. We both globally and hopefully in South Africa. This will hopefully go through a prescription-based method, but we still need to clarify that with the regulator. The second step after that is we've applied for a research permit to work with psychedelics, specifically psilocybin, which is your active ingredient in magic mushrooms. And then from there, we also are planning to launch a specific health device later this year that you can use to remotely monitor your health and certain indicators on your health. So that is all to come in the next 3 months, 4 months. And then straight thereafter, in the early next years, we're looking at launching a full-on telemedicine portal where you can have virtual doctors looking after your health, and not just one doctor, but a team of doctors. So that, in short, is where we're heading and what we want to be.
Yeah, so it's all for the medicinal benefits using all these other products. Thank you very much, and we'll have to keep track and see what is going to happen with Cilo Cybin Pharmaceutical. That's the company CEO, Gabriel Theron, here on the Midday View on eNCA.